I love my ProbeMaster probes. They come with these extra little thread-on adapters, alligator clips, little plunger clips. Sometimes things break. We're not always nice to our equipment. So I've already bared and tinned the end of the wire. And this little part here, it just comes apart. And we'll slide this back onto the wire. And I got to get the old piece of wire out of there. And that's a pretty big chunky thing to have to get hot. I think that ought to work pretty good. Alright, so I'm going to use the Big Daddy DL52 for this one to get that hot quick. Let's make this happen. Come on, come at it, baby girl. There we go. Let's get some stuff back in there. And then I can just dip this right on in there and ta-da! Oh, I got some excess solder. Ouch. Reckon that's still hot? Cleaned off some of that excess solder. Pop this thing back on here. Oh, that's a little tight now. Apparently I didn't get the excess solder cleaned up as good as I thought. Oh, easy. And with that, we're back in the game. All good. Don't throw it away. Fix it.